on behalf of Southwest Airlines and this entire flight crew, certainly it's our pleasure to be the first to welcome you here to Newark, New Jersey. And if anybody's keeping track of the scorecard, we are on the ground about 20 minutes early. Great way to kick off the weekend. Now hopefully our taxiing will go smooth here and our gate will be available and we'll get you to the gate on time. While we do taxi to the gate, we do need a few more favors from you. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, tray table and seat back in the full and upright lock position, and all that stuff you have on the floor, let's leave those items completely underneath the seat in front of you until Captain America safely parks the airplane at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. When you get up today, use caution when you open those overhead bins. Some of those items might have shifted around during the flight. And something might come falling out and bounce on your head, and you look funny at that class reunion or the graduation or the wedding with a big bump on your head. So let's all be really careful when we open those overhead bins. If you have a cell phone within arm's reach, you can use it now. You can start dialing, texting, tweeting, Facebook your status, let everybody know you've arrived. You're here in Newark. If you are making a connection to another Southwest Airlines flight, check the TV monitors for all updated flight and gate information. If by chance you are going on to Austin, Texas, just stay in your seat, stay in your row. Deborah is going to come from the back of the airplane, count our friends going on to Texas.